v Jasnej, ja som Dolix a vy sledujete špeciálne vydanie Evolution na snehu na Glue TV. Nachádzame sa priamo na svahu v lyžiarskom stredisku Jasná. Počasie nám vyšlo priamo rozprávkovo, kde ste si vy mohli už od rána vychutnávať apretský party, Let It Snow. Súťažili sme, skvelá atmosféra, výborná muzika a večer budeme pokračovať v klube Happy End priamo pod svahom. Po krásnom, slnečnom a hlavne hudbou nabitým dňom na svahu sme sa večer presunuli do klubu Happy End, kde pre nás tým Let It Roll pripravil nezabudnutelnú párty. Na svoje si mohli prísť vyznávači ľahšieho, ale aj tvrdšieho drum and bassu. Vrcholom večera bolo vystúpenie dvojice Lenzmana a Rie, ktorá svojím spevom nielen doprevádzala svojho holandského kolegu za Gramcami, ale učarovala isto celému klubu. Vy si ich môžete užiť v akcii aj pri exkluzívnom rozhovore pre Evolution.
Hello, this is Lensman.
This is Ria.
Hello, this is Lensman.
This is Ria.
And you're tuned into
Evolution on Blue TV.
Oh.
I live in England, yeah.
I live in Holland.
Still.
Yeah. I've got no plans of moving.
Yeah.
I like
Really?
it in Holland,
When?
yeah.
I came over a couple of years ago with Tom Zone. And then we were supposed to do gigs together last year, but there were problems
Yeah,
with
in
snow.
December. Yeah, it was
flights,
I
yeah.
do remember.
I didn't make it because of snow and flight got cancelled, but you made it. So it
Only
is
just.
technically
Only just made it.
technically the first time. Yeah.
I don't know. What has changed? A lot of new music, a lot of new experiences, a lot of new sort of skills learned along the way in terms of making music and DJing.
Yeah, and for me, I'm working on my own EP, so hopefully that should be coming out this year. Can't say it. Not yet. It'll be announced soon.
Secret.
Secret. Just been working on loads more. Just working on lots more music in other genres, like future garage, dubstep, that kind of thing. Just the same thing, just working on my skills, working on my vocal production and everything, and just trying to get better all the time.
I was wondering, do you have any bad habits which irritate each other?
But we don't, because when we write music, it's kind of over the internet, so we don't really, apart from gigs, we don't really get to spend that much time together, to be honest. So it's only like gigs and we can't really think of any.
And we both got the same star sign, so we get on alright.
Yeah, we're both Taurians, Taurus,
So we're on the
very
same
similar.
page. Like, obviously our partnership's quite good because
That's the thing, so I'd say, I mean, I don't know whether you agree, just it's quite hard to find someone that you work well with. You can, because personally, I could work with a lot of producers and you could work with a lot of singers, but actually really getting on with someone and understanding being on the same level, that's something different. So that's why we can carry on, I suppose.
Many producers and DJs are dabbling now with multiple styles. How about you?
what you mean other styles of music, other
yeah.
genres.
Like, because you produce mostly drum and bass.
Yeah. I'm actually experimenting with some other styles as well, but I think right now, because I'm known as a drum and bass artist, if people go and see me play somewhere, they expect to hear drum and bass. So I don't really feel the need to play other stuff. But I think as well, you know, I've been playing drum and bass for so long, that's the style of music that I can DJ best as well. You know, if I started playing some future garage or something, it would probably be really boring or probably crap. So I don't know. I like DJing drum and bass because I've got a certain confidence and I DJ it all right. And I do enjoy hip hop, but that's more like for myself really. I did a hip hop set at Sunday Bass one time and I really enjoyed it, but that's more like a rare occasion, you know, not something that I want to do constantly.
Yeah, well, drum and bass is my first passion. It's what I love, and I'll never be able to not work on drum and bass because I've been raving to drum and bass since I was a teenager. But I think it's important for me to try and do other music as well because drum and bass is quite, for a singer, it's really restrictive, and you can't necessarily do some of the things that I want to do because of the tempo and stuff. So yeah, I've always trying to expand into other genres, but drum and bass will always be the number one.
And when did you start with singing?
Singing in general, I'm about the age of 8. So for a long time now, I'm 27 this year. So, but in drum and bass, probably when I was about 19.
In general, what are your goals for 2012?
To make
Album,
$1 million.
to make an album that people actually remember a couple of years down the line.
Maybe your personal goals.
Personal goals. Well, that is a personal goal. You know, this album thing is like something new for me. So that's really, well, it's difficult, but hopefully once it's done I'll be proud of it and you know, I'll be happy with that. It'll be something to show my grandchildren someday. You know, maybe.
Similarly to Lens, really, I just want to finish my EP and hopefully, you know, people will like it and hopefully just things to go well with music and be happy and stay well in 2020.
Špeciálne vydanie Evolution na snehu je už takmer na konci. V budúcej časti sa môžete tešiť na reportáž z veľkolepej akcie Hospitality, ktorá sa udiala len nedávno na výstavisku v Trenčine, kde sa nám podarilo vyspovedať hviezdu večera sympatického High Contrasta a nebude chýbať ani záznam z odovzdávania cien ankety Slovak Down Bass Awards za rok 2011. Určite si ju nenechajte ujsť. Najbližšie sa s vami vidíme 4. mája v bratislavskom klube MMC na natáčaní akcie Special Place, kde vystúpi skutočne plejada kvalitných producentov a DJov. Logistics, Edraž, TB, Makoto, Muffler a mnoho ďalších. Konec koncov, pozrite si upútavku.
Wow.